Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how Binance Coin works, who has developed it, and if you can use BNB for payments. So how does Binance Coin work? Binance Coin is a product of the Binance exchange. It started on the Ethereum blockchain but now runs on its native Binance chain. People who use Binance Coin get a discount on the Binance exchange as an incentive for using the tokens. The exchange engages in token burning to help keep the supply of Binance Coin finite. The maximum for BNB is set at 200 million tokens, which helped the coin to increase in value compared to other coins created from exchanges. Binance Exchange has been the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world for quite a long time. So when was BNB first released? Binance Coin was launched in July 2017 as part of the initial coin offering, or ICO. Angel investors received 20 million tokens. The founding team got 80 million and 100 million tokens went to other participants. Funds raised from the ICO were used to build the Binance brand, perform upgrades, and enhance the platform. BNB is now used for several applications on a variety of platforms. And what I want you to take from this video: BNB is the cryptocurrency that's issued by the Binance exchange. It can be used to make payments across their entire network. Groups or individuals who have been members of the Binance Coin network for 5 years are offered rebates. The Binance exchange only does transactions in cryptocurrencies, unlike other exchanges, which can also facilitate transactions involving fiat currencies. Binance Coin started on the Ethereum network but is now on Binance platform. Binance uses a fifth of its profits to purchase and destroy the BNB that it has in its treasury once per quarter. And this, one more time, helps the coin to gain value, and many investors now use the Binance Coin as a store of value and to earn profits. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, and if you did, click the like button to support the channel, and I thank you for watching.